Welcome friends to my channel. Today we have for you on our unboxing table a Samsung Tab A. Let's see what we here have. First of all, look at this box. Samsung Galaxy Tab A. This is a 2019 model and here is a specs. You can see. Okay. It has a 32GB ROM, 5.100 mAh batteries, 8 megapixel camera and 4G, 64-bit quad-core processor and 8.0 inch TFT LCD touchscreen. The only thing, it has just 2 GB of RAM. Well, if you want to play some cool games or some new games with big resources, you will need something other. Okay, let's unbox this little friend here. So this is the side, and so this is the tablet. First we look what we here have in the box. Well, paperwork and a needle to release the SIM card lock and add more gigabytes. Okay, nothing interesting. And of course a charging cable or data transfer cable. And here is the charger, standard AU charger. Okay, this goes back and take a closer look to our little guy here. So this is a transportation cover package or something like this. Okay, and we here have, yes, this is the tablet. Focus, come back. Focus, come back. It's like a big smartphone. Yes, this back cover is plastic and you see it's already dirty from fingerprints and thus that's not good. I have already configured this. Let's see what we here have. Well, this display looks not bad. The usual stuffs here, some games for test purposes. Galaxy Essential, must have apps designed for Galaxy. Here is apps specially designed for the Galaxy Tab. It's like a smartphone. Same navigation menu, settings, connections, sounds and vibration. You can choose brightness, screen brightness, wallpapers, lock screen types, seems to. So device care, apps, general management, accessibility, software updates, user manual, about tablet. You can see Galaxy Tab A 8.0 inch 2019 edition. Model number SM-T295. Software, Matfair software. The Android version of this soft is now, you can see, Android, very bad to see for you. Okay, Android, but it's Android 9. Service provider, security versions, security patch levels. Maybe must make some updates. Serial numbers. Advanced features like direct share, smart pop-up view, general management. So maybe testing some games. Sonic Dash. This laptop is sorry, laptop. This tablet is not for games. It's not so fast and the performance is not so good. You can try some cool play. 3D for children, it's not bad. Here, swap. Yes, this game is for children's. Children's like this game. It's not nothing. So, okay, quit. Are you sure? Yes. Well, what can I say all over for this tab? It's some kind of beginner class of tablet usage. If you for child and for first tablet, this is great. Well, I think that's all. There is nothing to more say. There on YouTube is more larger and better reviews. This was just an unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like, thumbs up, subscribe for more videos.